everyone. My name is Chinmay. I've recently completed my MBA from XIM Bhubaneswar, and I'm currently working as a senior consultant. I've always heard that the influence of a great teacher can never be erased. That's what Sangram Sir really is to me. And even if I consider myself a little bit successful, I don't know what parameters are required to measure success. But even if I consider myself a successful, and I can say these are the things that I've achieved in my life, it is all because of the motivations that Sangram Sir gave me, and he's such a blessing in my life. I can go on appreciating him for ages, and it'll still not be enough to describe the aura he has on me as a teacher, and the way, the way he influenced me to to develop an aspect towards preparing for exams or preparing for interviews, and for any decision in my life. You have a problem, go to Sangram Sir. He has the solution for it in a minute. That's the magic that he has, and he's been such a great influence. Like, I can, you know I'll give you an instance. Like, when I was struggling in my life to take a decision of whether to pursue MBA or to go for data analytics, as it was rising at that point of time, and or else I can go to foreign to pursue masters in management. And it was a very tough decision for me to take, because that was a very key juncture in my career, and Sangram Sir was there, and he just sorted out in a minute. Like, I can still remember, like, the solutions that he gave to us, the lectures he gave to us. He's my 3am friend. I still have his messages in my WhatsApp, and even if there are also times where I've struggled in my life taking basic decisions, and I've approached him. I've cried in front of him, and he was there to listen to me patiently, and consoling me, like, these things happen, Chinmay, and you will get a successful career in some point of the time, and that's what has happened. And I mean, he's the best. He's the best. I can, I don't have any more words to describe how much great he is. He's just the best. So I would like to say thank you, sir. Thank you so much for being such a great and positive influence in my life. And that's it, sir. That's it. Thank you for being there for me, sir. Thank you again, sir. Thank you so much.